Hello, good morning, students. Today we will solve two example 11 and 12. Okay, so here is the 12 number we are going to solve first, then 11. Barabar? Okay, first we are going to solve 12 number. Okay, now today we will solve 11 and 12, but first we are going to solve 12 number. Okay, because we have short time. If you want to solve 11 number in your notebook, you can do from homework. Because 12 number is long. Okay. ABCD is a trapezium. See ABCD. Red line quadrilateral. It is trapezium in which AB parallel CD and AD equal to BC. AD and BC are equal because see on the figure there are mark, line mark, small. Okay, dash line, AB and CD, AD and BC. See in figure. Show that first angle A equal to angle B. Angle A equal to angle B. Second, angle C equal to angle D. Third, triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD. And fourth, diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Okay, we have given only trapezium ABCD, but we have some construction work do. Which construction? Extend AB. એબીને થોડુંક આમ ડોટ લાઇન કરીને આગળ લંબાવી દેવાનું. જો ફિગરમાં તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે. એક્સટેન્ડ AB એન્ડ ડ્રો લાઇન થ્રુ C. જેવી રીતે એને લંબાયું થોડુંક લાંબુ કર્યું બરાબર લોંગ એ રીતે સીમાંથી પણ ડોટ લાઇન થોડીક લાંબી કરી દેવાની. અને સીમાંથી જે ડોટ લાઇન આપણે કરીએ કેવી હોવી જોઈએ? પેરેલલ ટુ એડી. ઇટ મસ્ટ બી પેરેલલ ટુ એડી. અને જે પેલા બી જે લોંગ કર્યા છે એને ઇન્ટરસેક્ટ કરવું જોઈએ ઈની અંદર. બરાબર? કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન. Extend AB and draw a line through C parallel to AD intersecting AB. Produce at E. એ બંને ઈમાં ઇન્ટરસેક્ટ કરે એવી રીતે આપણે એને રાખવાનું છે. બરાબર? ટુ પ્રૂવ સોલ્યુશન given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD, AD equal to BC. બરાબર? ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ AB અને CD કેવા છે? પેરેલલ છે અને AD અને BC ઇક્વલ છે. ઓકે, કન્સ્ટ્રક્શનની પણ વાત થઈ ગઈ. નાવ પ્રૂફ. ફર્સ્ટ, AB parallel CD. It is given in question. AB parallel CD. Parallel, it is parallel but not equal. See in figure. AB and CD is parallel but not equal. While AD and BC are equal but not parallel. Okay, this is the property of the trapezium. AB parallel CD and AD parallel EC. Okay, because we have done construction work DE, CE, AD parallel CE. AD and BE are equal, but AD and CE are parallel by construction. Okay. Now, therefore, AECD is a parallelogram. You can see in figure AECD is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides are parallel and are of equal length. બરાબર. પેરેલોગ્રામ જે હોય એની ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ કેવી હોય? હંમેશા ઇક્વલ હોય. Therefore, AD equal to EC, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. But we know that AD equal to BC. It is given. Therefore, directly we can say that EC equal to BC. In place of AD, we can write BC. Okay, EC equal to BC, and first angle CBE equal to angle CEB. Okay, angle CBE equal to angle CEB. Both are opposite angles. Okay, angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle. We know that in isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angles of opposite sides are equal. So this result is 1. Angle CBE equal to angle CEB. Angle CBE equal to angle CEB. First number result. Okay. Now see in figure. Angle B plus angle CBE are in linear pair. And we know that angle B and angle CB are linear pair. Therefore, its addition is 180 degree. Okay. Therefore, angle B plus angle CBE equal to 180 degree, linear pair, and we know that AD parallel EC by construction. We know that in figure. You can see in figure AD parallel EC and transversal AE intersects them. Okay, what is the meaning of transversal? You know, when two parallel lines is given and third line intersecting them into two different points, then this line is called transversal. Okay, this is the understanding of the transversal. So AD parallel EC by construction, and by transversal AE intersect them. Therefore, angle A plus angle CEB equal to 180. Angle A plus angle CEB equal to 180. This is result number 3. Okay. Now see result number 2. Angle B plus angle CBE equal to 180, and result number 3. Angle A plus angle CEB equal to 180. Right side, both the side equal 180, 180. Okay, now we equaling them. Then what happened? Equaling them. Equaling 2 and 3. So angle B plus angle CBE equal to angle A plus angle CEB. 180, 180 cancel both the side. Okay, now angle CB, but we know that angle CBE equal to angle CEB from 1. So also both are cancelled, CBE and CEB. So what we will remain? Angle B equal to angle A, or angle A equal to angle B. This is the to prove first result of the given question. Okay, now second. Now second result. AB parallel CD. Therefore, angle A plus angle D equal to 180, because it is interior angle, and we know that the sum of the interior angle is 180 degree. Okay, but and angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Okay, angle B plus angle C equal to 180. So both the 180 we can equaling. So we will obtain angle A plus angle D equal to angle B plus angle C, equaling these two results. But we know that angle A equal to angle B, this result proved in one number result. So use this. Write angle A equal to angle B. So cut A and B both the sides. So remaining portion angle D equal to angle C. We can also write angle C equal to angle D. Okay. So in this way we can prove result 2. Okay. Now result number 3. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD, both the triangle AB is the common. Okay. AB equal to AB, it is common. BC equal to AD, it is given in question. BC equal to AD or AD equal to BC, it is given. And which angle is equal from 1? Angle ABC equal to angle BAD. Okay, so according to SAS, side angle side rules or criteria, we can say that triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD, we can prove in this way result number 3. Angle ABC congruent triangle BAD. Okay, if we can prove this, then we can immediately prove fourth result. If triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD, then from third we can obtain AC equal to BD. CPCT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Okay, so AC equal to BD. AC is the diagonal, so diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Okay, so in this way we can prove this result. Question number 12, you can see very clearly in PDF. You have to write in your notebook. Okay, you can write question 11 in your notebook from PDF. Okay.